Hi everyone, it's your girl Yasmin. Today I'm gonna do the Ipsy unboxing. I'm gonna try a few products that they gave me, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, do you guys know what this means? Dog? I don't know. They left this in my mailbox and next thing you know I look at it and it says dog. I don't know why, but it does. So first thing I see here, it's the bag. The bag is very pretty. It's very glittery, so I like it. I love glitter. Here's the card. It's July 2018. So the first product I see here, it says, it's this. It says Sundays. It's a little nail polish. Let's see how this paints. I need to do several coats for it to look nice. You see, it's not bad. I like it. And then next product is a Smashbox concealer. It says Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. Let me try it out. And it's in the shade Fair. Usually I'm fair, so let's see. Oh, it doesn't look bad. I can't put concealer on my forehead because my forehead will go crazy. Like, you could see all my pores and everything. It's disgusting, so I don't put concealer on my forehead. It's okay. I mean, I don't live for this concealer. You see, it didn't really do much to my skin. I don't live for it. I really don't. I don't see any difference in my skin. Next product I see is a sugar product. It's like this. It's the color Green Light. It's an 03, and I believe, I want to say this is an eye pencil. It doesn't really say what it is. Oh, and the swatch. It kind of looks black on camera, but it's actually like a very glittery green. But it looks black on camera. Let me try the bottom instead. Not bad. The fourth product I see in here, it's from the brand Mellow. It is a lipstick. Well, obviously it looks like a lipstick, but I just wanted to confirm it was a lipstick because you never know. So here it is. Ooh. Oh, I love this color. And let me do a little swatch for you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I like it. I really wish I had bigger lips though. Can you imagine? And last but not least, I did get, so it's a BKR parrot. It says it's a water balm. It's ultra hydrating glossy lip treatment. So I guess I have to remove my lips now and try it out. It doesn't really smell like anything, so I'll just try a little eye brush because it seems like I don't have a lip brush for some reason. Oh, now I smell it. It smells like roses. You know what it smells like? Have you ever bought a candle? Like the Catholic candles, you know, that have like the Virgin Mary or St. Jude, like the ones that have those pictures in the front. It smells like that. It feels so good on my lips, but it smells like a candle. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Go follow me on Instagram, on Snapchat, you know. That was the Ipsy bag. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe, and see you guys next time.